Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed and don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Yes, I had a few comments and asking if Mr. Bell still cooking in the Power XL. Yes, Mr. Bell still cooking the Power XL. Mr. Bell also cook on the stove, in the oven, also outside. So Mr. Bell be cooking everywhere. And thank you for your comment and everything. So today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. I'll be baking some Lumpiang. Today the Lumpia we had frozen, we had leftover from a couple of days we rolled. We didn't want to use it all, so we put it in the freezer. So today we're taking it out and we're going to bake it. I don't have video on baked Lumpia, but I have a video on air fry and fry. So as you see, they roll nice and little and everything, nice bite size and everything. So they've been rolled and everything. I have a little ground pork in it and a lot of mixed up vegetables and everything. So we're going to get started. I'm going to spray it with the olive oil and I have my lumpia roll and everything. So I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to just spray a little like that so they don't stick. And I'll be setting this Power XL on bake. As you see, it's on bake. And I'll be setting the temperature for 375. 375, and I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. Set it for 30 minutes and I'm going to press start, and I'm going to put the top down. And as you see, it's on preheat and everything. You can put it in on while it's preheating and it's not going to use all of the time. So I'm going to raise the top up and start putting them in. So I'm just going to put them in just like this and just put them in just like that. Put them in nice and good. These Lumpiang are going to come out real nice. Like I say, you can have these for knickknacks. There's a lot of games coming on, football games, the Lakers, the baseball, and everything. This right here is good to knickknack on. Just like that. Put all these in. These gonna come out delicious. We'll be looking at this together. I'll be moving my camera over and I'm gonna set the top down and I'm gonna let it preheat, and it's preheating right now. That heat gonna get in it too. So I'll be using less than 30 minutes. I'm gonna put the camera back closer so you can see. Okay, we're gonna take a sneak peek at it while it's preheating and see how it's coming out. As you see, it's coming out pretty good and everything. I'm gonna just flip them over for a minute like this. Some of them, like you see, they turning nice, good, a little brown and everything already. So I'm just going to keep my eye on it. We're going to keep our eye on it, make sure they're coming out nice and good, as you see. So I'm going to set it back down and let it finish cooking. Just like that. As you see, it say add food. We already had our food in, so we're going to just take another little look at it and everything. And it's coming out good, so I'm going to just do them like that and everything. Put the top down. Add food, and then I'm going to just press start. Like that. Okay, we're going to take another little sneak peek at it and everything. We're going to raise the top up and everything. As you see, they coming out nice and good. They turn nice and brown and everything, as you see. Looking good. So I'm just going to try to just flip them over a little bit, some of them, and everything, so they can get nice and good. Like I say, it's only been about 15 minutes. That's 5 minutes with this and 10 minutes with the preheat. So you don't have to use the preheat if you don't want to. You just press start and go on with the minutes. So you will be taking 10 minutes like away from it if you add it on. So we'll be watching this, keep an eye on it. Okay, we're going to take a peep at it. It's been 10 minutes on here and 10 minutes with the preheat. That's 20 minutes and everything. We're going to take a look at it. They look pretty nice and good and everything. I'm going to let it sit maybe about 5 more minutes and these are ready to eat. Put that right there. Okay, it's been 11 minutes and everything. These look nice and good and everything. I'm just going to take them out and everything. They are done. So I'm just going to press cancel. And I'm going to set them right here on this plate and everything. As you see, they're looking nice and good. Just like that. Just take them out and just sit them right here. These right here looking nice and good. Dip it in some nice good Lumpiang sauce or egg roll sauce and they'll be delicious. I'm just gonna take them out and sit them on this plate. Okay, this right here are your baked Lumpiang and everything. Mr. Bell gonna taste one of these. As you see, I have my Lumpiang sauce. You can use egg roll sauce or Lumpiang sauce. The Lumpiang sauce is a very good sauce and everything. I'm gonna put a little bit in here because I'm gonna try to taste one. I don't want to burn myself tasting it and everything. And I'm gonna sit it down and everything. As you see, the sauce is nice and good. So I'm gonna try to see how this tastes. Just dip it in like that. Rub it over there like that. The inside look nice. Meat with them. It's crispy. And it's good. I'm gonna take another bite. Well, that is delicious. This right here is your baked Lumpiang that's cooking with the bells. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Mr. Bell have a whole lot of videos out there on how to cook different things. That's all you had to do. Stroll down. Thank you.